What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to your daily update on Pepe. We'll be taking a look at it again. We haven't moved that much, so let me know if you still want these and still value these daily updates. Yesterday we had, we had more bearish momentum to be honest, but overall we just did not move that much. Overnight, today we actually we had some bullish momentum, which I did not expect. I mean, in the end, right now, what's just happening is that we're consolidating or trending down a little bit, because in the end we are making lower highs, but we're between that slow downtrend and the top of the support level right here around 16,000 and 16,500. And you could still argue it is possible that we'll still move up from here, so that we'll touch that level around 20,000 and 19,500 again. But overall, I don't expect that much movement, or at least not that much bullish movement. So in this video, I wanted to talk about what I expect from Pepe in terms of price movements, mainly technicals, but we'll also just talk a little bit about the current state of Pepe. But before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, such as signals on Pepe, make sure to check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment. And there you will find instructions on how to join. So now let's get right into it. So if we check it out, I mean, Pepe, obviously it's still very much traded, but there's not a lot of movement anymore. And what you can also see is that the volume has been dropping down, especially since Sunday. In the weekend, the volume still went up. What you see with these meme coins is that it might be a coincidence because it only happened like twice or three times. But what you see is that the volume usually goes up in the weekend. People are off from work, they start trading these meme coins. But right now the volume is dropping quite low. I mean, we haven't hit these volume levels since basically when this rally started. Then we also had these volume levels, but right now we're at around 360 million and we're dropping down, right? So that's going on. The less volume you have, the less volatility usually, or at least the less momentum. So that also means a lack of bullish momentum. So that's also why I think overall Pepe is just, I wouldn't say dying. I still think for a long time we'll have a lot of people trading Pepe, and we'll have a lot of people buying, and we might still have a couple of rallies, but not as big as this anymore. I mean, there's a very small chance we'll still get up to 23,000, which is what I named the prices as, most of you know. There's a very small chance we'll still do that, but apart from that, I mean, even if Elon Musk tweets about it, I think we'll get up to 28,000 and then drop down. And I do not even expect that will happen. Overall, like I said, even though the EMAs are pretty flat, right? So that's indicating that we are in a consolidation. So that consolidation would probably be something like this. But even though that's the case, I think at this point of time, it's more likely that we'll see some sort of a drop. Still, a lot of people are in the price, they're holding, but the longer something like this continues, the less people start to believe in that we'll still have some sort of bullish momentum. So I think it's like right now, this whole level between 16,500 and 15,000 is our support level. I think at some point of time we'll drop down to 15,000. We'll find support there. I do not expect a huge crash soon, but at some point I do think we'll break down below 15,000, drop down towards 13,500, take a break retest, and start falling again to the lows we also made during this crash right here, kind of at the end of last week. So that's what I expect. In terms of movement for Pepe, like I said, we can also still consolidate at that level for a longer period of time. But overall, this is what I expect. So let me know if you still value these daily updates. For now, this is my take. I'm sorry that I'm bearish, just trying to be realistic. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.